Alright, so Genius will be main watch. Remember, this thing can go to 15. Don't be early on it. Don't get run over. I'll just shorted 70,000 shares of Genius starter positions. I also got stopped out of Genius starter. Looks like this thing wants to go higher. It's not that they lost their touch, it's just the stock is as a relentless demand for now. They're gonna be correct. This Genius is gonna go to back to $5 by next week probably. But right now it can go to $5. Sorry, 15, 20 before that. All right, let's see. Genius held VWAP very nicely. There's no reason to short it right now at all. Like, unless it loses VWAP, there's not even any point to take a starter. Genius, what I'm gonna wait for the first red 5-minute candle. I may add a starter at that point. Oh, Genius. Ah, it halted. Fuck. How long was Genius halted last time? Was it 5 or was it 10 minutes? Okay, Genius, let's see. It's about to lose the VWAP here. I did short a little bit in anticipation of that. Potential VWAP loss. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of it again. But it's a small starter. It's only a tiny starter. Okay, I got stopped out of most of my starters so far. Like this Genius, I'm gonna build some huge size on this thing. So that's why I'm taking these small starters. But so far, we'll see. Genius, I added more shares. I'm now short 100,000 shares of Genius. Or maybe I'm gonna lose 500k or more shorting Genius. Yep. It's halted again. Hopefully we can get one more good setup before it cracks. You know, this thing could go to like $6 today if it really starts fading. All right, Genius open. It's now below VWAP. Let's see if it can. If it gets rejected off the VWAP, I may add more. So far it held. The momentum in this thing is amazing. Okay, so far it got rejected off the VWAP. Genius. Oh yeah. Oh damn, I missed the add on it. Damn it, I wanted to add. I have offers higher. Oh shit. No, don't do this. Don't go straight down. No, bounce. Please bounce. Bounce. Please bounce a little bit. Okay, I need to cover some here. Is it halted again? Oh, come on. It is a small cap. 1 billion is a small cap stock. My position is 1003 average, 100,000 shares. I wanted some in the 970s, I didn't get filled, so we'll see about that. Okay, I covered up 10,000 for this Genius. Oh my god, I need to cover up more. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, so I've covered up 20,000 shares so far. It's a 6-figure trade. It's just too fast. I need it. If we can just get one more big bounce to mid high 90s, I would like to short another 100,000 shares of this thing. It was just too fast. Man, I'm not good at trading these fast stocks. I'm really not good. If you want to trade fast stocks, you only have to like look at one stock, but I'm looking at 15 stocks. I think Genius should reopen any. Oh, they're gonna go for a 10-minute halt now. Yep, they're gonna go for a 10-minute halt, looks like. I also covered some more Genius. I still have 65,000 shares. I don't know if this is gonna be a 5 or 10 minute halt. I'm too lazy to go to Nasdaq webpage. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I wonder when Genius is gonna reopen. It's now been halted for like what, 20 minutes? 20, yeah. Okay, so in 2 minutes I'm gonna check if they're gonna reopen. This thing, next support on Genius is in the 570s or so. Don't underestimate this thing. This thing could go down. Wow, it's already down 40% from the highs. Wow. Yeah, next target is high fives. And I'm up about 200,000 on Genius. So I'm not having as good of a day as I should have. Because I missed the ad on Genius. I wanted to add another 50,000 shares. I only got to 100,000 and I have 200,000 shares located, so it's super annoying, man. Okay, Genius is open. Holy shit. It's halted again? What the fuck? Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. Okay, I only have a quarter left now. Only have a quarter left. Down 55%. Okay, okay, I have a 1/5 left. Holy shit, are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Oh my god, I would have needed those 50,000 shares. Oh, come on. Okay, now I'm up 300k on it. It was a quick, nice little trade. What can I say? I just wish I had gotten filled on those 50,000 shares. Wow. Now next support is in mid threes. That's really the next support. I covered a little bit more. Covered a tiny bit more. Yeah. It's a little trade. It should have been another 100k. 200k. But it is what it is. I hate when they're so quick. You don't get to, you don't get to add full size. Happens all the time. It's halted again? Jesus Christ. So Genius went from being up 46% on the day to being down 40% on the day. So it's down almost 60% from the highs. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And we all knew the offering was coming. Like it was announced, like I knew it from last week. Like people started tweeting on it negatively like last week. Here. They were going to increase their authorized shares. Yeah, here. This Eric Wu tweeted 26th of May. Just as it broke out. Now in hindsight, this could have been a nice long, but obviously. You want the stocks to be as extended as possible before they short them. Let everyone get squeezed out. That's the reason also I shorted I didn't want to short Genius yesterday. You know, I said yesterday several times this thing it's a better short at 10-12 tomorrow. Because someone asked me about Genius yesterday in the 550s near the open. And I said it's gonna be ignored for me unless, and tomorrow if it gets to 10-12, that's when I want to short it, and that's exactly what we got. You want to get those few setups that go crazy. The setups where you almost can't lose money. That's the key to shorting momentum stocks. Most of them won't go. Yeah. No. Well, it is a timing thing. You just want to see them. Oh, D-Dog, I got stopped out. You want to, yeah, exactly. You want them to squeeze out as much as possible, so you don't get chopped up on them. Like Genius, you know, if I had tried to short it yesterday, I mean, there were some good setups, like this 5-minute candle here, when it went straight up and printed the first 5-minute candle and break of that. I mean, I would have probably taken a few losses on it. So that's why you want to get them. You want them to squeeze out to a point where they almost can't go higher. and then you start looking for a weakness to short them. That's where you have the best odds. So Genius was a $300,000 profit. I'm gonna cover it last 6,000 shares up as soon as it gets unhalted. Oh man, Genius, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Should I reshort it? I need to make another 2 grand. Oh, okay, I need to reshort this thing, man. I just reshorted 37,000 shares. It's getting close to VWAP. If it gets to VWAP, I'll short more. I'm not sure it's gonna get there though. Gonna use like $9 as my stop. If it goes higher, I'm just so afraid it's gonna get halted and then gap down, and I'm gonna miss my entry. Maybe I was a little bit too aggressive with my entry here, but that's fine. It's a big bounce off the lows. It's just such a hard trader since it's halted all the time, but I would have probably played the bounce otherwise. Okay, oh, I got filled on Genius. More shares, that's great. So I have 70,000 shares of Genius now. Apparently it printed it. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Oh, what? It printed 830, and 830 is where I had those ads. Oh my god. Wow, sometimes I'm just so lucky. I can't believe it. Let's see if I can make another 100k on it. Let's go. Oh, I didn't get filled on all of my shares, but I get filled on most of them. Okay, okay. Short was here in the high 70s, or the reshort. Let's see, where was it? Yeah, 59.30. No, wait, no. That's the wrong stock. Where is it? 770. And I had another order here, 830, because I was kind of anticipating the VWAP bounce. I wasn't sure if it was going to hit VWAP, and it didn't. So I just wanted to, I wanted to get shares, 2 partials. And if it had bounced to high 8s, I maybe would have added a little bit more. So I just kind of anticipated it a little bit. I was super lucky. I got filled like 90% of my order. Sometimes it's just so lucky. To the penny. It's not like it traded 831. No, it traded 830. Genius unhalted. Oh no! No! Wait, what? Why am I not getting... why can't I cover? Okay, now, okay. There was some order issues. Okay, now I covered some. I covered a quarter, or less than a quarter of my Genius. Nice! Maybe I can make 400k on it. Okay, I covered some more Genius. I'm almost at 400k. If this thing can go to the low 6s, or actually low 6s, I'm gonna be up 400k on it. I'm giving it a little bit of room. I'm gonna use like, I'm gonna use this 860 as my out. I've covered this so far about 1/3, a little bit more than 1/3, maybe 40% of my ads. Hopefully it can go back to sub 6s, but I'm not betting on it. Alright, anywho, I'm done streaming for today.